Yeah, chocolate too. Oh, yeah?
My favorite part of the day. You found $5.
Don't touch it.
Leave it alone, because it's so brittle. Leave it alone.
Brittle?
Don't touch it.
Been outside.
Snowman.
You made a snowman.
Yeah.
Awesome.
All I'm going to home because it can crack.
Cool.
It's not
Harlem.
one of those real.
Harlem. Harlem.
It's like old
Puppy.
potatoes, like it can crack.
Oh, yeah?
Like six.
Come here, little Bailey. Come here, little Bailey.
Baby! Baby!
Is Harlem trying to play with Mom and Dad?
Puppies.
Yeah, chocolate too. Oh, yeah?
My favorite part of the day. You found $5.
Don't touch it.
Leave it alone, because it's so brittle. Leave it alone.
Brittle?
Don't touch it.
Been outside.
Snowman.
You made a snowman.
Yeah.
Awesome.
All I'm going to home because it can crack.
Cool.
It's not
Harlem.
one of those real.
Harlem. Harlem.
It's like old
Puppy.
potatoes, like it can crack.
Oh, yeah?
Like six.
Come here, little Bailey. Come here, little Bailey.
Baby! Baby! Do you remember?
Don't do it. Don't do it. Come on, puppies. Come on. Come on, puppies. Puppies.
I think they just moved.
Come here, Bailey. Bailey. They want to see you. Yeah, babe. Puppies. Harlem. Harlem. Get. Harlem. Where are you going?
I got Mom.
Bailey.
Mom, now look how many pieces.
Has anybody seen any more dogs?
There's one.
Stella. Who's been eating all that cake? Maximus.
Wow.
Hey, puppies.
I do like it.
I think the puppies have been eating it. Hi, puppies. Hi, puppies. Are you guys all playing? Come here, puppies. Puppies.
What the crap?
Shh. Videotaping. Bobby. Hey. Hey, you Maximus. What are you doing? You playing? Oh, Stella, you running, huh? Don't bite me. Hey! You're gonna rip my sweater. Get off now.
Mom?
Hold on.
Has anybody seen any more dogs?
Over here.
There's a piece of smushed one
Where?
over there. Over
Where?
here.
I already got that.